Hello and welcome to CNG 124-500. I just received access last night. As I go through and start to make updates, you'll see everything start to change over. I did a really fast and rough um, content date change last night, and I think I got everything correct. Week one should now be available. When you guys, actually, let me back up a while. CNG 124. I'm your instructor, George Lemos. What I do currently is some IT consulting. My job will change here shortly. I'll start going to work for FEMA, IT specialist, which will be deploying networks, managing networks, system operations, security. I'll be a just an IT specialist for them, for the government. So as we go through this course, hopefully, I can share with you some of my deployments at federal emergencies and just give you a brief insight to how networks work. Um, this course should be your first networking course, Networking 1. There is Networking 2 after this, which dives into topics just a little bit more deeply. But with Networking 1, we learn basically how everything speaks, all electronics connected to a network, whether it's wired, wireless, um, phone. We get an insight to phone. Uh, let's see if we're talking about radio waves, cell phone waves, light. Li-Fi is a new topic where they're starting to look at lasers and light to transfer information back and forth, which is like almost the same as I shouldn't say almost the same as, similar to fiber optics, but we're not using a cable. We're just using point-to-point laser system to transfer that data. Very, very, very cool. What else? About me, spare time. Currently, what am I doing in my spare time? Saturday, I go down to Denver for some training for CISSP. I plan on getting that here this fall. Probably after the semester ends, I will go get certified in that. Work on my computer and hang out with my family. So let's dive in. Actually, let me make another video about the content. So what you should go to starting here, go to course materials and click content, and that will lead you into getting started in week one. I suggest you read everything. I do my best not to waste your time. Um, Once again, stuff's going to say the wrong date. I got access to the course last night. I'll start working through and changing all the dates and the material to update them. But if you do find something that has the wrong date and it may say fall 2019, just remember that it is actually pertaining to fall 2019 instead of last year. But yeah, I'll put another video. Let's see in week one.